half empty, half full, cup runneth over, horns aplenty, coffers full.
It was like this war will never end. So for me, it's always like questioning myself, come on, will you live in these conditions for another 10 years? But I was feeling we are Europe, they have to do something about it, you know.
It was very difficult feeling for us to left so abounded by entire world. And especially at that time, technology was so advanced that people literally could watch the war in Bosnia and Herzegovina on the televisions. And nevertheless, how much we were sending the messages to Europe, to the world, to help us to do something. Many people just like kind of were like silently watching what's going on and doing nothing. In all that desperate situation and very hopeless time for us, when we didn't literally have nothing to eat, to drink water, to have electricity or anything, the ray of hope for us was always Barcelona and people of Catalunya.
My idea of Europe was it's a space which protects diversity, which protects the basic human rights. You know, unfortunately, we were left to be killed on daily basis. The only shiny spot of Europe at that time was Barcelona and their people who did so many things, not just with that humanitarian aid, but with the acting as real humans at that time.
Barcelona and Catalunya didn't forget about us. They were actively involved in the reconstruction and rebuilding, and all these nice connections that were putting through the Olympic Games in Sarajevo and Barcelona came to the realization when they rebuilt the Olympic Village, when they participated in the rebuilding and reconstruction of the Olympic Hall that it's now symbolically called Antonio Samara.
Already in October, it was 1992, already in October, first a humanitarian help from Barcelona came to Sarajevo. That was, as I remember, that was 200 tons of food. And during 4 years of war at Sarajevo, Barcelona gave 2,500 tons of food and different other things to people of Sarajevo. That was one aspect which was, you know, like it wasn't that much about the food, because that was of course not enough food for the people of Sarajevo, but that was, for us, that was extremely important because, you know, for the first time we felt something which we expected from Europe.
I strongly believe that you as a younger generation should continue to carry the torch and really explain this wonderful solidarity, this wonderful support and encouragement that we were getting all the time from people of Barcelona and Catalunya. And personally, I'm so grateful for that, and I'm also seeing that it's the same feelings from the people of Barcelona towards Sarajevo. And I really would like to you as a young generation, together with us who are remembering those days, just to continue to spread this beautiful sense of solidarity, because there is so many people in need throughout the world that you are helping them to not to lose the faith in humankind as we didn't. Thank you, Barcelona and